So today I'm going to teach you how to make a very nice game. Choo-dum, choo-dum, choo 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 choo. Ah, what is this? Yes, it's a shark and a little fish. And do you know how to play this? Try to catch the little fish. Yeah! Put the shark and the little fish here to explain how to do this. The materials you need: an empty bottle with the lid, pair of scissors, white glue, blue paint, cotton swab, pencil, blue marker, again, or the color you have at your home, around 40 centimeters of string, a white sheet of paper. I'm using a construction paper, but you may use a common bond paper. And if you have a blue construction paper. If you don't worry, you can color your white sheet of paper. All you need is an empty bottle that you are going to ask your parents to cut for you. So they are going to cut here in the middle, just like this, okay? Now I have to cut here on the sides, making a triangle, okay? Okay? The jaw. Okay. When you have your half bottle, you are going to paint. Hold here in this part. You are going to paint this part, upper part. All right, okay? Now we need to do the teeth, just like this. Zigzag, zigzag, zig. Okay? The other part you already have. Great. All right. Okay, so now let's do the eye. Oval shape. Get the blue marker. And glue the eye. Okay. And draw here and color or cut the blue construction paper. It's one of them, okay? All right. As it's going to be here, and you paste it here. Okay. Your shark is ready. White paper again. You draw your beautiful little fish. Squeeze and paste. Around the shark. All right. Ta-da! Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, shark. Bye-bye.